Hi everybody and a warm welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm participating in a challenge being hosted by Kim from Sweet Daisy Creations and Arlynn from Arlynn's Country Craft Corner. I have done certain fall collaborations with these two YouTube creators and had great fun. You can check all the collabs and challenges that have been put by them this fall season, and also they have a series of upcoming challenges for the Christmas. So do check their channels and the playlist created by them. I'll put links to both their channels and the playlist in my description box. Today's challenge is called Christmas Mantle Challenge, and they have challenged us to decorate a mantle space or a shelf or anything similar with Christmas accent, garland, some kind of garland has to be there, and candlesticks. So fulfilling these three criteria. Well, I don't have anything in Christmas or winter or any holiday specific for the coming winter. So recently I have been DIYing a lot for winter and holidays. So you can check out my DIY decor playlist for my last few DIYs that I've done. So far I have done more than 5 DIY videos. You can check them out in my playlist, and I'll be using all these items in my decor. So as now I show my mantle, you will find some DIYs that I did recently and I've used them here. And even today's video is going to be a DIY plus decor video because I don't have a garland. So I'm going to make a garland, and other than that I'm going to do some more DIY before I decorate my Christmas mantle space. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or by hitting the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video, so that you don't miss out on any of this fun, any of these DIYs. So let's start doing some DIY and use it in decorating my mantle space. I just collected some stems from my backyard and bunched them up and tied them up with some jute strings. Next I took a piece of sponge and some white paint and dabbed a bit of paint here and there on the branches. For my garland, I use this differently colored newspaper, a cutter, a jute string, tape, some thread, and a little glue or glue stick. So now I cut out squares out of this paper, and then I'm just going to make fold it like one folds for making a fan. I just lightly fold it into half so as to know which is the midpoint, and tie a little thread there, nice and tight. Next, I'm going to add a little glue here and stick this. I'm going to do all of these like this. So once all these are made and these are dried, I'll just add more glue onto this side and join this further. And then once this is done, I'll use some glue and fix it here. It will be a full circle then. So these are the rounds that have been made. Now I'll just take one of these and a string, and from one end I'll just stick it out. So I'll just turn it around, take a piece of tape, leave a little string outside and just tape it. As simple as that. And this is the facing side of the string. And similarly I'll make the whole garland. Here is my garland that I made just now, and the branches that I've painted with white paint. And this is the harness lantern hack that I did in Look for Less challenge. I'll put a card link to this above. I will find it also in my DIY decor playlist. And this is also another DIY, the face planter for another Look for Less challenge. And you can check it out in my playlist of DIY decor. And this is my today's DIY, a garland and painted branches. Not very sufficient, but this is just a preview to, this is a little shelf in my living room that I've decorated. I've put some pine cones in the shelves. I haven't done much in the shelves, except for that I removed the fall colored accents that were here. I have just made the books turn the other side so that I have the white or the off-white sides of the paper looking towards us. It gives a more neutral feel, and whatever color or anything is added pops out better. I just added a pair of pine cones here in gold and a pair of pine cones here that I painted sometime back. This is the garland that I DIY'd today. It's made up of newspaper and jute twine, and this is another, it's formed like a garland, the greens with the red flowers. Here are my pair of candlesticks that I've planted them in small pots with some chips. These are glass chips in different colors, and because I did not get blue candles, I just wrapped them up with pretty blue paper and added them till I find the blue candles in the market. And moving closer here, I've just stacked 3 books in shades of blue, grey and white, and I've put this clock here with some ornaments. Here is this icicle. This thing has been made out of Kleenex toys, and my daughter Aritrika made this piece for me, and she wanted me to use it in the decor. It's sitting on this blue pottery made in Netherlands. And here is my last DIY, which says let it snow, and it has got these buffalo checks on the sides. They are in blue because I wanted my decor, I wanted to change my decor to blue color scheme, so I added this buffalo check in blue, and I did this let it snow sign with 4 beautiful houses with snow on top, and again some Christmas accents here. This is my face planter from another DIY. You will find all my DIYs in my DIY and decor playlist. Here is the harness lantern, and in this I have put the branches that I painted today, and I've also tucked in a bunch of false flowers, and from these branches I've tangled a lot of ornaments. As you see, some are store-bought and these are handmade, like this, and the birds. These are all handmade ornaments, and they are in the DIY decor playlist. I've made them recently and I've showed them how easy, simple They are to make the snowman ornament. These are all handmade ornaments done in my last few videos. You can check them out in the DIY and decor playlist. Here is another sign saying Merry Christmas. There is another fairy down below which my son made and wanted me to use it in the decor, and I have to do it. That's Arlynn's creation. So this is my Christmas mantle decor, and I really like how it turned out. Very beautiful and festive. Thanks for watching, and do like, share and comment on this video. I would love to see your comments here. Do subscribe to my channel and watch all my DIYs that are still going to keep coming throughout the month. And see you in my next video.